Assalamualaikum and good days everyone. Today we want to present about our project presentation of web development. The title of the project is Child Daycare Vaccination Record Management System. This is our group members. First, Anifan Danish bin Mat Nasaruddin as a leader, Abdissam Muzammil bin Rashid as a assistant leader, and Muhammad Asrar Sin bin Muhammad Nasir Sin as the database leader. Muhammad Rafiq Amshah bin Muhammad Rozi as a design leader, and Anuraj Lelaki Tayanantan as a assistant database. First, we go to introduction. The overview of the project is a digital solution for managing student health and vaccination records in a daycare environment. Core purpose to provide staff with an organized, role-based platform for tracking children immunization progress, and the background replaces traditional paper-based methods with a modern, secure web application.
Okay, so in this project, we made a four objective, which is to develop a secure access system with distinct role for administrator and nurse. Secondly, to implement a centralized database for efficient student profile storage. Thirdly, which is to provide a validate script interface for managing vaccination status. And lastly, which is to improve the data integrity and accessibility for daycare management. After we researched the previous system, there are four problem statements for making our project, which is manual tracking, security risk, inefficiency, and data fragmentation. Manual tracking have paper record are prone to damage loss and human error. Security risks have physical file are difficult to protect from unauthorized eyes. Inefficiency is for searching for specific student record or vaccination that is time consuming. And lastly, data fragmentation. Lack of a unified system make it hard to identify children with pending status.
We have four scopes here, which is the first one is user management, secure login or logout for authorized staff members only, which is admin or nurse. So second one role-based control. Admin has a full access in the web and knows as entry and view only. They can just see the is it the children vaccinate or not, is it finding or success. And then third one is children profiting, storing names, dates of birth and parent contact detail, which is the nurse will see it that they which time they born, when what vaccination. If they are need to ask the parents, they need to contact parents too. So the fourth one is status tracking, ability to track and filter records as pending or success. So we have a list of systems features here, which is admin dashboard, validated forms, color coded status. Admin dashboard is high-level view of all vaccination records with master controls. And second one's validated forms, which is bootstrap power registration and edit forms with input validation. So the third one is color-coded status, visual badges or green or yellow for instant status registration, which means green means it's approved or success, or yellow means maybe pending.
Next, I will explain about our database design. So first of all, our database has two tables, which is for user table and also for children table. So let's first, I will explain about the user table. So inside the user table, there is username, password, and role for each user, which is admin or nurse. Next, for children table, here is store children ID, full name, DOB, parent contact, and status. Lastly, for the relational logic, the system uses the role column to dynamically show or hide edit and delete action. So inside our system, admin can edit and also delete the student vaccination record, and nurse can add the vaccination record.
Alright, for our session today, we will show you our demonstrating of our group project today. And we will show you how we done, how we edit, how we update, how we insert the data, and we will show we will show the database too, and the process database if they already did it or already update. Our demonstration of this. Alright, this our login as you can see for the admin and the nurse for the staff. Alright, we will log in as a nurse staff blue, and we put their username and the password. Alright, as you can see, there is the name of vacancy. Right now we didn't have name, so we would like to add the name for the children. Yes, you can see we can put a name, the bed, the 1015 and 2. And they have a contact number, and they are set this as a pending or success. As soon as we can we can say the as pending and save the record. And then we back to list, and you can see they have the name, their date birth, their contact number for parents, and their status. As status, they can see the pending for the yellow one, and the action only admin can do the action. Alright, for now we'll log in as an admin. This admin and the username admin, password, and look at this. If I buy the next by let's put in the name and see the set action that we can edit and then delete too. Now we will edit the name as we can delete their name like this, and they are put another if their name's wrong or something like that. We can put the name obviously random, their name of their bed, their parent contact number, and they are pending to update record here. We can see, and then if the vaccination is complete, we can put them as a success and update the record and look at as you see the status as a success. And if admin want to add the child to, they can add to by this. Right now, and then we can delete the name, and then first of all, they also can add their name. Yeah, and therefore put the contact number and then success. Alright, save the record and then back to list. As you can see. Alright, for now I will show you the database for if they really put in the database. Alright. Now as we can see in the children, we can see the name of his, their document, their contact number, status, and where they are created at. And now for the user, here they are our user for the admin and the nurse. Right now, we can delete this here and we will delete it, and then as we see the children, bam. And their name one is already deleted in their table. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.